In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar from phone. This process will help you back up your events or transfer them to another calendar service. Let's get started. First, open your phone's web browser like Google Chrome on Android. You can do this by locating the app on your home screen or app drawer. Tapping on it will bring up the browser interface. This step is crucial because using a web browser allows you to access the full features of Google Calendar. Instead of using the mobile app, the web version offers a more complete interface for exporting your calendar. Once you have the browser open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, navigate to the Google Calendar web page and sign into your account if prompted. You should see the familiar calendar layout once you arrive at the site. If you are already signed in, this will happen automatically. If not, enter your email and password to access your calendar. This step is important as it ensures that you are working with the correct calendar which contains all your events. Once you see your calendar, you can proceed to the next step. Now tap the menu icon. On Chrome, it appears as 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. If you are using Safari, look for the AA icon in the address bar. Tapping this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This action is necessary because it allows you to access settings that are specific to your browser. From here, you will be able to request the desktop version of Google Calendar. Once you've accessed the menu, you can go ahead and select the next option. Select Desktop Site or Request Desktop Website from the menu. This forces the mobile browser to display the full computer version of the interface. Doing this is essential for getting all the export options available in Google Calendar. The desktop version will provide you with a layout that includes all the necessary features to complete the export process. After making this selection, your screen will refresh and you will see a different layout. Next, tap the Settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of the desktop layout. This icon looks like a small gear and is typically easy to find. Tapping it will open a new menu with additional options. This step is important because the Settings menu is where you will find the export feature. It's a straightforward action, but it leads you directly to the tools you need for exporting your calendar. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page filled with various settings for your calendar. Here, you can customize how you manage your calendar. This step is crucial because it allows you to access all options related to your calendar, including exporting. Once you are in the Settings menu, you are almost ready to export your calendar. Now, tap Import and Export in the left-hand navigation sidebar. You will see several options listed on the left side of the screen. Selecting Import and Export will direct you to the section where you can manage your calendar data. This is an important step because it leads you to the tools needed for exporting your calendar events. Once you tap on this option, you will see the export settings. Next, scroll down to the Export section and tap the Export button. This button will allow you to download your calendar data. Once you tap it, the process of creating the export file will begin. This step is vital because it generates the file you need to save or transfer your calendar events. After tapping the button, you will see a progress indicator as the export is prepared. Then download the resulting .zip folder directly to your phone's storage. Your device will show a notification confirming that the download is complete. This ensures that you have a copy of your calendar data saved on your phone. Once the download finishes, you can move on to accessing the downloaded file. Open your device's built-in File Explorer app, such as Files on iOS or Files by Google on Android. You can find this app in your app drawer or on your home screen. This app is essential for managing files on your device. Once you've opened it, you are ready to locate your downloaded calendar archive. Locate the downloaded archive in your Downloads folder. You should see the .zip file you just downloaded. This step is straightforward but vital because you need to access the file to proceed with extraction. Once you find it, tapping on it will allow you to take the next necessary action. Finally, extract the file. You will find individual ICS files for each of your distinct calendars. You can now import these files into other platforms or keep them as an offline backup. This last step is important because it gives you the flexibility to use your calendar data elsewhere. You have successfully exported your Google Calendar from your phone, and now your events are safe and accessible for future use.